Brainless seated, but oh, that's right. But over here across from the state library, me and the Keat Wall. Keat Wall, say hello, Mr. Keat Wall. Oh, oh. You see, you don't want the mistake over here is that you don't want to put yourself out here. Why? The birds.
I mesmerized what I saw.
The birds will just drop their crap. The birds will draw their crap. That'll be the end of that.
That's what I'm gonna write in a text to Adam. What the hell does G.I. Joe have to do with Transformers?
Yeah, we went to the Transformers movie. That's what it is.
Except for the two toys being Hasbro toys.
Like that, and then like transform into we're human, and then all of a sudden we turn into some vehicle. We'll be waiting for this bus. Go home, give a ride and charge money. Make some money and says, hey bro, look at that, some extra cash. Extra cash, bro. Extra cash. We're gonna have enough money to pay our bills and go on some fancy schmancy dates with some hot girls, huh?